Recording. He's getting warmed up. Okay. Let's show Mimi how you kick your feet. Let's go.
You guys send it to Mimi?
I'm going to show her. Okay. Kick, kick, kick. Make a splash. Make a splash behind you. Make a splash behind you. Kick, kick, kick. Good job. That's perfect. Yay! Get that noodle.
My noodles.
Good job. Now go swim to Nathan. Nathan, he's going to come to you. Nathan, he's going to swim to you now. Okay, kick your feet. Kick, kick, kick. Splash, splash, splash. Kick your feet behind you. Kick your feet. Splash the water. Make the water splash. Good job. You're moving fast. Keep those feet high. Splash the water. Splash, splash. Make a splash. With your feet. Good job. Awesome. Now back to me. Okay. Good job. Make a splash with your feet.
I'm not moving.
You gotta splash with your feet, buddy. Kick, kick, kick. See, make a splash. It makes you go faster. Move those hands. Good job. Kick, kick, kick. Kick. Come on.
Kick.
Kick your feet. Splash behind you. Get the noodle.
Keep going. I should keep going.
Splash your feet. Make your feet splash. They're too far under you. Good job.